If you recently switched from Windows to a Mac and scrolling feels wrong, don't worry, you can fix it easily. By default, macOS uses natural scrolling where content moves in the same direction as your fingers. But if you are used to Windows, this can feel confusing. So in this video, I will show you how to change scroll direction on Mac in just few simple steps. So let's get started. First, on your Mac, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen. From here, click System Settings. Next, click Mouse from the left sidebar. As you can see, natural scrolling is enabled for mouse. Now if you go to trackpad, here as well natural scrolling is enabled. Now go to mouse again and simply turn off toggle next to the natural scrollings to change the scrolling direction of the mouse. And the same effect will be applied to touchpad as well. When you turn off this option, it changes the scroll direction back to the traditional style where it works like a regular desktop instead of touchscreen scrolling. So that is how you can change scroll direction on a Mac. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.